Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Downshift. My name is Orest and today we are talking about my fairly new and most importantly untuned B9 Audi S4. So I just want to start this out with, this is in no way to blame Audi. Things do happen, but the car did end up having a faulty turbo, which did have to be changed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through a little bit of a backstory and then we're going to go to Audi and finally pick it up. Okay, so I purchased a 2018 B9 Audi S4 with about 34,000 kilometers on it, and it was pretty much fully loaded. It had everything I wanted. And about 2 weeks after, I started hearing like a rattling metal on metal noise. It was only on cold start and when the engine was under load, so when I would accelerate slightly. And you only heard it like outside the vehicle or inside if the radio was off and the windows down, everything like that. I didn't think it was anything critical, like I thought it was a fan or a belt or something. And then I got the stage 1 tune from 034 Motorsport and the downpipe, and I was about to install them and I said, you know what, hold up, I still have warranty, let's just, let's pause this here. And I'm really thankful I did. So then fast forward to going to the Audi dealer, I go in and they drove it and they said everything was fine. And again, it's kind of a nuanced noise. It wasn't anything loud. I didn't notice any performance disturbance or anything of that nature. And so I came in, I drove it with the tech and I put the windows down, radio off, AC off, everything off. And he right away goes, oh yeah, no, I hear it. And he's like, you know what? It could be a turbo bearing. And right then, my heart sunk and he was like, oh no, let's not get ahead of ourselves, like it could be something smaller. And then one day later the bad news came and he says, you know what, it's something more serious. It seems that your wastegate is rattling and it's loose, which basically means the entire turbo has to be changed. And the worst news after that was the fact that the car has to sit there for 3 or 4 weeks because they do not have it, and it's on back order and it's coming from Germany, obviously, and then there's like 2-3 days to install it. So it was just like the worst thing to find out. But luckily today is the day that everything is done. I'm gonna go check out the car and let's hope everything is good. Just before I do head out, guys, though, I have a Q5 loaner for the time being. They first gave me a Q3 and then I got the Q5, so it really hasn't been that bad. I really can't complain, but at the end of the day, it is not my Audi S4. I'm gonna show you these 2 parts that I'm gonna do right after really quickly. Just bear with me. Here is the 034 Motorsport downpipe, catted of course, that's gonna be going in. The 034 Motorsport Stage 1 fresh, unused. The car just begs for more power. I haven't been able to do it. The car's been in the shop for 3 weeks to a month. So let's just get out of here and finally go pick it up. Okay, so we're pulling up here. Let's see if we can spot it. I don't see it yet. I'm gonna do a little spin around. Maybe it's in the back. Nice little S4 here, but that is definitely not mine. A lot of nice cars here. Lot of nice cars. Will we find it? I don't know. It's probably in the back.
All right, guys, so we are at Audi right now. Check this bad boy out.
Look at this.
The turbo, man.
Look at the size of this thing.
Yeah, where'd you get this bad boy from?
From the inside of the car, right there.
Yeah, so it got changed out and everything, right?
Yeah, it took 3 weeks to a month.
Yeah.
It's been sitting here, but brand new turbo.
You had to get this thing flown out from what, Germany?
I hope so.
Yeah, so you got a brand new turb ski, which is nice. It almost feels like maybe it's a brand new car. We'll see.
Almost.
It'll feel different.
It'll be faster than yours now, right?
Yeah, maybe. I don't know about that. Maybe. We'll see. So here, as you guys can see, the new turbo. They changed all the gaskets, screws, sealers, all that kind of good stuff.
And there's the old one for comparison.
There's the old one. So what exactly was the issue with this? What happened?
So apparently the wastegate was loose and it was rattling. And that's why they have to change the entire thing. That was the only way to do it, so.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy. I mean, I don't think you could probably see that on camera, can you?
No.
Yeah, too bad. Would have been nice to like disassemble this whole thing, see exactly where the issue was, start wrenching it ourselves, but
yeah, they got to send it back to Audi, and it's a warranty piece, so they got to inspect it and see what happened.
Yeah, I really wonder what they do with these. Maybe they reuse them or rebuild them, or who knows, maybe just throw it out or something.
I would hope not. I'd love to keep this and just change the core.
Keep it as a paperweight or something?
Yeah.
All right, so there's really only one last thing to do now. We gotta take this thing for a test drive and see if everything's working completely. and well, because obviously, oh, that thing's heavy, eh?
It's like 50 pounds, 40 pounds.
Oh man, all right, let's go take this thing for a test drive, shall we?
Let's go.
Let's do it. All right, so we're just going for a quick drive here, guys. Checking out the all-new Audi S4?
The new turbo S4, right?
Exactly. So yeah, we're just taking it for a spin, seeing how everything is. Kind of crazy because we were this close to tuning the car, and of course, if we would have tuned it, the warranty would have been voided. We would have came here and gotten ourselves a fat bill.
Yeah, it would have been at least 4 to 6 grand for something like this. That's what they quoted, but yeah. I saw the papers, said no charge, NC, and I'm really happy with that, obviously.
Yep.
We're probably gonna, downpipes, tune it pretty quickly.
Very quick.
They said there really is no wear, like I don't have to wear the turbo in or anything.
No break-in period at all.
Yeah, exactly. So I think everything is good to go, and I'm listening, no noises. I'm so happy to be back in my car, to be honest with you. I just love it.
About time.
Alrighty, so as you can see, we're in comfort. I'm gonna put it back into dynamic for the first time. There we go. Oh, I felt the gear change.
Felt the gear change, eh?
Yep. Oh, okay.
Sounds nice.
Did you see the Audi guy just gave me the thumbs up?
Oh yeah, it sounds nice.
Wow. Let's pop it in here. Oh, the turbos.
Oh yes.
I don't know, it sounds, maybe because I've been without a turbo, you know, it sounds so fresh. But it honestly seems like you have a brand new turbo, well, if I didn't know.
That's what you do have, so makes sense.
I don't know, we found some extra power, I think.
Yep. Oh yes.
Back to having fun. All right, guys, so we're still here with the S4. Absolutely love it. Gotta fill up the gas. What's going on here?
I don't know, man. There's a BMW and an Audi dealership. This is pretty strange.
It's a strange situation, but you know what? We do what we gotta do, right?
Exactly.
So, guys, if you have this issue, comment down below, let us know.
If you've seen the issue at all,
yeah,
on forums or anything, let us know, because this is a weird one.
Yeah, no one has really encountered this, so if you have, definitely comment. It is very fitting that we are here in the engine bay to wrap this video up. Give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and follow our Instagram page at Daily Downshift.
We'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.